Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I know that I've been pretty inactive here, so it was high time I come back and put some content for you guys. And coming from my live session last time on my Instagram handle, I got pretty common questions, I can say, and the most common one was weight loss. How weight loss happens in general, what is the main method to be followed. Now, when we talk about fat loss, we all address it in the same way. So, basically, almost all the questions were like, how do I lose my face fat? How do I lose my arm fat, back fat, the fat in my thighs, etc. So, it is important to learn that this is exactly not how fat loss process works. There is a series of stages in any transformation. So, when it comes to fat loss, the basic method is calorie deficit diet. So, what is a calorie deficit diet? I have made a detailed post on my Instagram on the same as well. So, basically, it is a reduction of calories that you have every day that your body burns easily. So basically, you are increasing the amount of calories burned by your body so that it results in weight loss. Calorie deficit diet combined with a combination of strength training and cardiovascular activity is what results in weight loss. So basically, all you need is a well designed program and you are good to go. I will actually insert a set of my transformation photos, and I must tell you guys that the method I have followed is the same: a calorie deficit diet, strength training, regular strength training, and cardiovascular activity. And this is exactly what has helped me through the years to get efficient fat loss. So yeah, you can go ahead and look at these pictures and I'll get back to you guys.
Now, let's talk about how you can calculate the optimal calorie deficit depending upon how many calories you burn every day. The optimal calorie deficit is large enough to stimulate steady fat loss, but not so large that you're always hungry or lethargic. Avoiding a calorie deficit that is too large is important for athletes who need to keep their muscles well fueled for training. It is also important to any individual to avoid a large calorie deficit as it ends up making you more tired and hungry. The calorie deficit sweet spot for athletes is around 300 to 500 calories per day. So when you do the math, your ultimate goal is to figure out exactly how many calories to eat daily to lose weight without being hungry and lethargic, and also without sabotaging your training. To do that, you need to figure out how many calories you burn each day. In other words, you need to calculate your BMR first. You can use the formula displayed here to calculate your BMR, or simply use any other formulas available online. Use an online BMR calculator, whichever is convenient to you, and once you find your BMR, keep in mind to reduce only 300 to 500 calories. Boost your non-exercise activity. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis, otherwise called as NEAT. So what is NEAT? It's all the physical activity that you do throughout the day. Like for example, household chores, walking the dog, taking the stairs to your office, carrying groceries home from the store, etc. Now, one easy way to measure your NEAT is to count your daily steps with a pedometer or activity monitor. You can start by trying to reach 5k steps a day, and then gradually increase it to 8k, then take it to 10k, and then to 12.5k, and so on. HIIT, in other words, high intensity interval training. This involves alternating between intervals of all out effort and recovery. This can boost your resting metabolic rate for a long time even after your strength training workout. Incorporate HIIT once or twice a week for best results.
have spoken entirely based on my experience and my journey and the mistakes that I have made, and I wouldn't want you to guys to do the same. So I hope that it has been an insightful video. I would love to make more content for you guys. So please keep sending me your suggestions. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep supporting, keep showing your love. I'll see you guys.